So right now we are in Chalai market.
Of
Many
Thanjavur.
of Thanjavur, of Trivandrum,
Trivandrum, sir.
and all the items are available here. You can buy everything, each and everything, like jewelry, dresses, fruits, vegetables, and clothes, and food items, mobile service repairing, phone, bags, luggages, everything is available. This is a garment shop. Spices is also available, Kerala spices. And there is a mosque on my right side. Coffee, tea, bakery, fashion jewelry, cashew, badam, and lip toshok. Mostly jewelry, what I can see. Most of them are jewelry shops. Very good. Pre-owned mobile also available here. Malvika jewelry also available here. Spices, flowers, oil and spices, flowers, Federal Bank style berry. So this is basically a walking tour along the Chalai market. Rasgulla is also there, 20 rupees. Many flower shops over here. You can see beautiful flowers. Bouquet of flowers for gifting purpose. Flower market again.
Dummy call and a minor for a
So we'll go to this shop and I will buy some souvenir. So we'll end the video here. You can see.